Welcome to Shelly's Cuisine. Today we are going to make mini meatballs. Could be used as an appetizer or you could drop it in sauce. We're going to make mini meatballs. We're going to twist it with bacon, a little bit of corn, and cilantro. I love cilantro. Everyone knows that. So I have about 1.5 pounds of ground beef. You could use ground beef, pork, lamb, combination of whatever to make your meatballs. You choose. All right. So first thing, we need sea salt, or you're going to salt your beef. Okay, salt to taste, black pepper. Okay, we need our black pepper. All right, and I have some garlic, ginger, pimento. Most people at this point, you would put garlic powder, would be a good thing. I don't have any garlic powder right now, so I'm using what I have. So my ginger, pimento, so West Indian spice, trust me, it has garlic in it. Smoked paprika, you know I love that. Don't put too much smoked paprika. It's to flavor the dish and not to overpower it. I'll put the direct measurements. My jerk seasoning, it won't be hot. This is a dry jerk. Okay, it's just gonna have flavor, flavor, flavor. Dance, dance, dance. Actually, dried herbs. This is dried rosemary. You could use herbs de Provence, but you need the dried herbs. Okay, and onion. This is 1/2 of a medium onion. Chop it up small. You don't want these big bits of onion. 5 garlic cloves chopped very fine. So you want to do that. Okay, that's going to give you nice flavor, and if you do it right, you can season it and you can cook it right away, even though we do like to let our seasoning soak. Cilantro, this is 2 tablespoons of fresh cilantro. I just love cilantro and everything. I have 6 slices of bacon, crumbled. Yep, I have 2 tablespoons of corn. Okay, if you notice, I'm not putting a lot of corn because this is not corn meatballs. Okay, it's only to accent it. And just trying to get that mixed up. You need 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs. These are seasoned breadcrumbs. I'm using panko. That's because I like panko. I guess that's to help it get some consistency. And last but not least, you need an egg. 1 egg, lightly beaten. So you need that. Yeah, this fork thing is not working for me. So we're gonna ditch the fork. All right, let's see, because I need to get all of this mixed up. Make sure I've got everything kind of evenly distributed. And what we're going to do here, we're going to use the air fryer. Okay? And we are going to do it in the air fryer to add to our air fryer section. Mini meatballs. Again, great appetizer. See how it looks good with the herbs? All right, I would say I have it kind of mixed up enough. So, yeah, I'm putting on gloves. So this, for me, on the air fryer, you want to do it at 360. I'm going to use 375 here. And 15 minutes, because these are mini. So I think if they were the other, the bigger ones, you could do them for 20 minutes. Okay. It's going to be simple. Just going to make a few, throw them in the air fryer, and see what's going on. So, we want them to be small, but we want them to be nice size, because we want to put the toothpicks in them later. Okay, there you go. And if the cilantro is sticking out, try to push it in so that it'll be a nice little round meatball. Same thing with the corn, or if you have a big piece of onion. You want it to be completely round. If you can, of course. You know, nice little pop of color and something a little bit different. So while we're making meatballs, just want to remind you we have a lot of different sections on our website. We have the main dish, twist section, okay? So that's where we have the main dishes. We have an appetizer section where I'm going to post this. Juice twist, we know we got a lot of juices. We have a side dish twist, that's where you'll find your macaroni and cheese pie, your corn pudding, your roasted potatoes. Well, actually, that's not true. Roasted potatoes is in the air fryer section, but you can do it in the oven, okay? So, we have a tea party section, and that's, you know, how you have a nice tea party, pull everything together, and, you know. So the mini meatballs are coming out good. And again, it's going to be 15 minutes. Oh, I forgot to press this button. You know? So, we'll do that. And then we'll continue making all of the meatballs. And then we'll add them to our air fryer. Ready for the air fryer. Air fryer heated to 370. Gonna do it for 15 minutes. If you had to bake this in the oven, you could put them in the oven for 400 degrees and you could do them for 15 to 20 minutes, okay? So, you know, air fryer, you don't need any oil. And it really gets done a lot quicker. And so, got my little mini meatballs going on with bacon, cilantro, and corn. Okay, so that 1.5 pounds, how many did I get? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Wow, I got 12. So I would have been able to get 24 meatballs from 1.5 pounds. And let this cook. Okay, so we had to do it in batches. And on my last batch, get my meatballs here. Yep, that's a baby one. And all we have to do is now get the toothpicks in. Use the longer toothpicks, they're better. Yep. So they're not going to be perfectly round because we have corn, we have bacon coming out of them. But it's a nice appetizer that's quick. You can prepare the mini meatballs, and when you have your guests, that's when, so you could serve them hot, you can throw them in your air fryer. And, you know, so our meatballs, mini meatballs with bacon, corn, and cilantro. So it's hot, so I'm not going to taste it because it's going to burn my mouth, but you understand. So anyway, thank you for making mini meatballs with us today. Please subscribe, hit the notification button, tune in to our website, www.shellyscuisine.com, and tune in next week to find out what we will twist next.